Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 9251 Tutwiler. He said heading this thing back up on him. We were just out here not that long ago, and it backed up and then came back up again. So he wanted to get this inspected and see what we got going on in here. I'm here at the yard clean out now. We're going to go ahead and run towards the house. We'll be right back. So here we are going towards the house. As you see, we got a big ball of roots in here. Take it up the line. We'll go ahead and locate and see where this is at. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and augered this line out a couple times. I had a 4-inch cutter. I tried to get a 5 in there, but it wouldn't let me. So I went in there with a 4-inch, and I went back in with a bend on the end of my cable to act like I was running a bigger cutter. So we were able to cut these roots back. Here we are at the cast iron near the stack in the basement. Go ahead and pull it back, show you what it looks like. Got a turn there, a little turn. So here we are at the transition. Earlier this was full of roots. As you've seen, I've pretty much cut pretty much all these roots back. There's a little bit left at the top we're not able to get, but it shouldn't be too big of a deal. Like I said, they're going to grow in every so many years, so I'm just going to have to get a big cutter in there every couple of years to cut these roots back. As you see, nice and open. Here we are at the trap. So yeah, everything that was there looks good.